I will try to keep my steady hand. My fancy tools are missing, so this might come off a little shaky. We're taking a look at the 2020 Grand Cherokee, of course Jeep, Limited X in this case. Beautiful vehicle, fully loaded. It's one of our Facebook specials, one of the loss leaders, just to get traffic in and get our name out there. Every month the boss puts on a few smoking deals and they always sell, so first come first serve. We see that forward camera on this down low, that's for the parallel perpendicular park assist, forward braking, adaptive cruise, all that beautiful stuff, lane keep assist. 5.7 liter, not as common an engine option in the Grand Cherokee, but certainly my favorite, unless you're going for beast mode with the 6.4, 6.2. This is a great feel, power to weight ratio. Nothing wrong with the 3.6, it's what I have in mind, but this is so much better. I kind of wish I would have jumped into this right away. We've got dual exhaust plumbed through that rear bumper fascia, park sensors front and rear, lots of space in the back, remote start, of course, heated no, not heated outboard rear seats, my mistake. That was kind of an assumption on my part. 3-prong electrical out there, lit back there. Power driver's seat with memory function, of course. There we see the buttons for our adaptive cruise. 37 kilometers on the odometer at time of recording. 8.4-inch flat screen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated front seats with heated steering wheel. Self-parking, or park assist I should say. Sport mode, eco mode, they're kind of in polarity to one another. Lane keep assist, which you can turn off if you don't care for it. Of course, 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode, which you can also use the paddle shifters up high if you prefer. And 4 low with hill descent control, auto, sand, snow, mud, rock being an offset function of that 4 low with a higher gear ratio. And panoramic sunroof up top, so you can see those, all that beautiful Calgary or Canmore weather, as it were. That's it for me for now. Take care. Let me know if these options work for you, and we'll chat very soon.